US905 surpasses present machining methods. US905, high-speed finish machining of heat-resistant alloys.
To counter the problems experienced when machining such materials, Mitsubishi Carbide has developed the MJ and FJ breaker. The MJ breaker is used for light to finish cutting. The FJ breaker, with superior finishing and chip control, is for finishing to ultra finishing. The main features are the curved cutting edge for smooth chip disposal, the sharp cutting edge, and the high precision cutting edge preparation. Using Mitsubishi Carbide's technology, it is now possible to make such a sharp edge. Let's have a look at the actual machining of titanium alloy. Long tool life is achieved due to the sharp cutting edge that suppresses heat generating and reduces cutting edge damage. As you can see, the surface finish attained is of an excellent quality. As you can see, even when machining Inconel, the breaker provides effective chip control. Superior surface finish, excellent chip disposal. Mitsubishi Carbide's MJ/FJ breakers will improve the machining of difficult to machine materials in the 21st century.